All right. Thank you, Spirit. Put my original sound on. I do appreciate it when some people keep their cameras on. It makes I'm able to actually see if there's any movement on the other side of the screen, so it's a good thing. Thank you. With my dodgy internet at the moment. But yeah, let's just see what Spirit's got for us tonight. Yeah. Let's go within to that place where we connect with our higher self. Higher selves. Acknowledge Spirit, the Spirit within each of us, and Great Spirit, the great mystery. Thank you. Just allow yourself, as we do, to follow the inflow and outflow of your breath. Let's intend to work with those energies and only those energies that serve our highest good. And that tonight we'll receive from Spirit, from Universe. Thank you. Let's recall a time where you felt gratitude. Could have even been when you woke up this morning. Gratitude is good because when we recall a feeling of gratitude, we are being thankful for the receipt of something, and it puts our physical, mental, emotional, spiritual bodies into an attitude of reception, of receiving more. So tune into something that gives you gratitude. I'm sure we've all got one. For me, it's when Atticus jumps up on my lap in the morning and starts licking my face because he's so pleased to see me. It fills me with gratitude. When the butcher birds come squawking for food and I give them a few bits of mince, that gives me gratitude. Yeah. What is it for you? Just tune into that feeling. Start to channel the frequency of gratitude in through your crown. Let it circulate round your brain box. And draw it down through your third eye. Let it circulate down through your throat chakra into your heart space with a little spark of light as it lands there. Just breathe this gratitude in. And as you do so, feel that spark of light within your heart space starting to become brighter, bigger, to connect more closely with Spirit. And allow yourself to begin to receive. And what is it that you're receiving? perhaps just energy right now, streaming in from the central galactic sun, perhaps. Allow it to circulate, perhaps clearing away any brain fog that might be there. I normally say to draw this energy in through your crown is my standard, but in this case let's draw it in, and you can keep your eyes closed, but imagine you're drawing this energy in through your eyes, drawing it into the center of your mind, and on the out breath sending it down to your heart. How does that feel? Let's experiment a little. Imagine drawing it in through the base of your skull. How does that feel? Just note what's happening for you as you do draw this energy in through the base of your skull. Sort of the top of your spine, where your spine goes into the back of your head. There's a chakra there called the Alta Major Chakra. It's not well documented. There's many of these chakras other than the sacred 7 chakras, but there is a chakra there. Just breathe in and out of that space, drawing this energy in. Can you draw it in through your eyes and through your Alta Major Chakra at the same time? And perhaps add drawing in through your crown as well. See if you can manage those 3 portals. Now imagine it constantly streaming, whether you're breathing in or out, it's constantly streaming in through your crown, through your Alta Major, and through your eyes, even your third eye. Like a constant stream of beautiful, pure, flowing water, like a waterfall. And it's streaming through. Allow it to continue streaming as it fills up your heart space. And with your intent to continue receiving this constant flow of universal free-flowing energy, this pure waterfall energy, to allow it to continue to stream and turn your focus to the soles of your feet. There's chakras there too. And allow this energy to flow down through you and out through your feet, in the physical at least. And you may sense it as it flows through, activating your heart, solar plexus, sacral and base chakras. So allow the activation to continue unhindered as you step your energy back and become the observer. As you step back and look at your body, this energy streaming through, even coming out of your fingertips, constant stream, a little bit like a solar wind. Just be the observer and relax your focus. Allow yourself to create a full impression of both visual, even sound. What do you hear? What do you perceive in thoughts, feelings and emotions as you watch this energy flowing through your physical, emotional, mental and spiritual bodies? Even though the physical is the representation that we look at, it is flowing on all levels. What do you see? as you now observe this representation of you, if you have indeed stepped back and looking at it, seeing the energy streaming in through the head, working throughout the body and streaming out down through the soles of the feet and the palms of the hand. What do you observe? Colour? Are there patches that are darker than others? Are there patches of light that are lighter than others? What do you see within your etheric fields? Is there anything stuck that needs a little bit of a hand to move on? Is there an area that seems the energy is not flowing too smoothly, and perhaps you can reach out a hand and massage that point, give it a little bit of encouragement? Seeing yourself from the viewpoint of spirit. This is one perspective that allows you to observe yourself. Now we're focusing mainly on the physical field. Let's take a step backwards and look at what's going on in the emotional body. So allow your perception to step a little further back and to look into the field that surrounds this body, this emotional field. A field that people sense as you walk into a room, if you're happy or if you're sad, if you're angry or if you're calm. You know very well that people sense your energy. And here it is, the emotional field reaches out from the physical form. How's yours looking? What colours? What sounds? What do you sense? This is a brilliant opportunity for self-healing. For instance, if you see or sense something there that you would rather not have there, you can see that it's causing a vortex of energy, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise, or just a stagnant spot of energy. Just scoop your hand forward and like dipping into a pond. You can stir it up, you can scoop it out, you can perhaps gently blow a breath, or run your hands along that part, smoothing it, allowing the flow of the energy to be unimpeded. And while you're at it, take a look around the back too. What's going on there? There's a technique that is called aura smoothing, where when you're doing energy healing, a practitioner will just run their hands from top to bottom along the length of your body, not touching it, just aligning the energy. You can do this to yourself. Feel how that feels when you do this in spirit for your own healing. Still watching that flow of energy through that waterfall. Taking it out another level to the mental body. Assumptions, beliefs, programs, what do you see? There goes one. There goes another one. You get muted for that. Just allowed to release. Thank you, Spirit. A couple of bumps in the road there. That's okay. Bring yourself back to center. Back to being the observer, I should say. Seeing that waterfall energy coming through, flowing through. Yeah. There's a thing called entrainment, where a body, an object, a body in this case, will entrain to the frequency of the strongest frequency that is running through it. And in this case, right now, the strongest frequency is this beautiful healing energy that you are receiving in through your eyes, through your ultra major chakra, and through your crown. As we sit in this energy, you are being entrained to the frequency of it. Entrainment is the same phenomenon that when you put a bunch of pendulum clocks together in a room and they're all ticking away at different times, eventually they all swing together, they all come into synchronicity together. And this we're doing today is synchronizing your physical, emotional, mental and spiritual bodies to the frequency of that incoming energy, which as we have stated, is for your highest good. Who's been tired lately? Probably most of us, I'd say. That's because of the energies coming through that when we don't give ourselves the opportunity to entrain to those frequencies, it knocks us around. A little bit like riding a wave. When you're riding the wave, you're okay. It's when you fall off the wave that you get tumbled around. So continue to ride this wave, this frequency. I'm going to leave you in it for 5 minutes. I'm going to quietly play us a little bit of drum, just so you know I'm still here. Okay. Waterfall energy flowing having thoroughly flushed out our physical, emotional, mental bodies. Let's just take a moment now to turn to the astral, spiritual body. I declare that anything within the field of any of you here on this meditation that does not serve your highest good, whether it be your thought form, life form, program, entity, I command you to be gone. To be gone now. Release. 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 Thank you, Spirit. Just now allow your full body system to align. They say four bodies, but there are more. But physical, emotional, mental and spiritual are the main categories. And within each of those there are layers. And we'll call the full body system into harmony, independently and collectively of each other. Calling these systems, these energies, these layers into full alignment and into coherence with the incoming frequencies that we've been experiencing through this meditation. The cascade energy, this cascade healing energy. So as you feel your four bodies integrating, allow them to come back together with ease and grace. And bring your awareness back into this being whom you are within this incarnation, the one you identify with when you say I am and put your name there. you identify and merge. Allow your energies to settle and your awareness to come back to the physical world in which we dwell, knowing that you are the bridge between heaven and earth, that you are the stillness that gives life to reality. You are the ocean that gives rise to the waves. And all of those analogies are true on different levels. Step into your power. Claim your kingdom. Breathe that in. And now, come back to present day. Have a little stretch. And when you're ready, open your eyes.